So last time we talked about the Mini 5 Pro, right? That leaked battery upgrade had everyone excited, rumored to hit around 50 minutes of flight time. That's a serious jump from the Mini 4 Pro's 34 minutes. And faster charging is also in the bag. Sounds like DJI is cooking up something big. Now, there's a new video making the rounds, and I'm gonna be honest, it's rough. Blurry, pixelated, and barely watchable. But hey, it's an early leak. Grainy mystery footage is part of the tradition at this point. What's actually more interesting is a photo showing a drone interface recording a waterfall crashing down over a rocky cliff. It looks a lot more promising. Cinematic composition, full on-screen flight data, and camera settings showing 4K at 30 FPS with an f1.7 aperture, ISO 110, and a shutter speed of 1/320th of a second in daylight, resulting in a clean, balanced exposure. That combo suggests a 1-inch sensor or slightly smaller, capable of handling bright scenes without blowing out highlights. The 1.7 aperture matches the Mini 4 Pro's camera, so DJI could either be reusing similar hardware or this is a placeholder setup. Still, if the Mini 5 Pro is getting a larger sensor, we might see a change in aperture or better low-light performance not evident in this capture. Now here's where it gets spicy. Rumors say the Mini 5 Pro could shoot 4K at 60 FPS in HDR. That's buttery smooth and super crisp, especially with support for D-Log-M and HLG. For reference, the Mini 4 Pro capped out at 30 FPS in HDR, so this would be a pretty solid upgrade. We're also hearing whispers about a better sensor, improved vertical shooting, built-in audio recording, and even LiDAR for obstacle avoidance. Some leaks even suggest dual front-facing wide-angle sensors and additional LiDAR modules. Oh, and here's the wild part. A possible video transmission range of up to 25 kilometers. That's just ridiculous. If DJI sticks to the rumored timeline, we might see this drone officially announced around September 2025, possibly during the IFA show in Berlin on September 5th. So yeah, things are heating up fast. If you want to stay ahead of the leaks and see what DJI drops next, make sure you're subscribed. I'll keep digging and we'll break it all down as soon as more info drops. Peace.